Buenos días, mi gente lluvia. Estoy caminando aquí por el Museo Louvre en París, con dirección a la Torre Eiffel. Dicen que está lejísimo donde me bajé, pero bueno, vamos a probar a ver si aguanto llegar. Miren qué bonita la rueda, por el amor de Dios. Qué bonito es París. Una mañana tan fría y lluviosa. Qué bonito es París. Hermoso. Miren qué bonito. Los edificios aquí, todo parece palacios. Ahí está el famoso Thomas Jefferson. La Torre Eiffel. Miren qué linda es. Ahí se empieza a ver la parte superior de la Torre Eiffel. Esta torre. Ahí está la torre. La Torre Eiffel. Miren qué hermosa. Miren qué bella. Abajo de la Torre de Eiffel. Ahí está la torre. Ok, aquí vamos. En la Torre Eiffel. I already feel it because I walked from Louvre this morning. Oh. Okay, where is the coffee shop she was talking about? Let's go ahead. You ask. I want to let you know. How many steps she said it was? Do you remember?
700.
7, right? We're going to walk 700.
Yeah.
Thanks. Ok, tenemos que caminar 700 escalones. Yo no aguanto, voy a morir. Ayúdame, Señor. Oh my God, we are far. Ay, mucho.
¿Aguantas la respiración?
Sí, okay. Yo también tengo que. Sí, estamos iguales, no se preocupe. Tranquila, suavecito. Sí. Es que ahora caminé desde Louvre hasta acá. Pensaba que estaba cerca, pero son como 5 kilómetros. Como dice la canción, despacito.
Sí, tal cual.
Eso. ¿De dónde son ustedes?
Venezuela.
Mi gente venezolana.
¿Seguro?
Aquí Aquí vamos. Caminando me encontré con una gente linda aquí de Venezuela. Ahí vamos. I made it.
Yeah, for sure. Skyscrapers in the city of Paris after one specific tower, which is this one right there behind you, if you can see it, that big one. Can you all see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a bit foggy. So that tower is called La Tour de Montparnasse, the Montparnasse Tower. It was built in 1973. When they finished the construction of that tower, the public opinion turned against it. They thought it was too ugly, it intrudes the skyline, and they hate it to the point they give it a nickname, Paris Middle Finger. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's rude. So actually, Parisians, French people, when they don't like something, they go on a strike for it. Have you heard? Just stop here for a moment. Okay, guys. So now I want you to take a look at this large green space. It's actually a public space. People, they go have a picnic in summer when it's lovely and beautiful, you know, when it's sunny in summer, in front of the Eiffel Tower. So this large green space is called Le Champ de Mars, the Mars Field in English, and it was named as a tribute to the Latin name God of War, Campus Martius, because all this green public space, it belongs to the building right in front of it. At the end of the grass, there is a building with a French flag on top of it. So that building is called École Militaire, military school, and one of its most important students graduated from there. It was Napoleon Bonaparte. Yeah. So talking about Napoleon Bonaparte, do you see the Golden Dome right here? So that Golden Dome is called Hôtel des Invalides, Hotel of Invalids. It was built by a king of France called Louis XIV, the Sun King. He used to live in the Palace of Louvre, but then he thought Louvre was too small for him. So he had to build the Palace of Versailles, in Versailles, to live there. So actually he also built the Hotel of Invalids to house his old and sick army. So it was a hospital for his army, and later on it became the tomb of Napoleon Bonaparte. So Napoleon is buried right under the Golden Dome. So guys, behind the Golden Dome, on the right side, further away, there is another smaller dome. Did you find it? So that dome is called Le Panthéon, the Pantheon. It was built by another king of France called Louis XV as a sickbed promise from him that if he would recover, he would build it to honor the Saint Geneviève. She's considered to be the heavenly protector. And nowadays it is a burial site for many celebrated and respected French people. There is the woman scientist Pierre-Marie Curie, there is Voltaire, and there is also Victor Hugo. Have you heard of Victor Hugo? Yeah. Can you name one of his work? Victor Hugo? He wrote Les Mis. Yeah. And he wrote The Hunchback of Notre Dame, Our Lady of Paris. And unfortunately, have you heard of the fire that happened last year in Notre Dame de Paris? Last year in April. So we can see Notre Dame de Paris from here. It's behind the Golden Dome. On the left side, further away, there is two small towers, twin towers. They look like that. We can see them. They're facing the Eiffel Tower.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So this is Our Lady of Paris. It is considered to be... Sorry, it's okay. So, Notre-Dame de Paris is considered to be one of the finest Gothic cathedrals of France. But Napoleon Bonaparte, he tried to find two best architects in France to renew it, and to raise the awareness of the Gothic cathedral, Victor Hugo, he wrote The Hunchback of Notre Dame, where the main character, Quasimodo, it refers to Our Lady of Paris. Okay? So, Notre-Dame de Paris is located on the city center and on an island. This island is called City Island. It's one of the two natural remaining islands in Paris. There is a City Island and another one called St. Louis Island.
So you went to that building. Right. Aquí en París, donde la gente le gusta poner candados y dejar mensajes. ¿Sí? Por ejemplo, esta persona puso María, Julián y María. Laura y Miguel. Qué interesante este puente. Hay pero miles y miles de candados. Miren, hermoso.